Hello guys and welcome back. So in the previous video we have added all of the code. Now in this video we will be adding the animation for the handgun. As you know, for now we have the animations for the player simple walking. On the handgun we don't need all of these, so actually we can just remove all of these. Okay, so let's remove them one by one. Okay, let's remove these one as well, and that is it. And let me check at the top, we have the animator reference right here. Okay, so you can double click on animator and it will give you all of the animation in which location they are added. So remove all of them, and after this get back to Unity. Okay, we will have to assign all of these things. So for the character controller we will be using the same character controller. So what you can do is simply drag and drop the player in there and it will automatically select the character controller component. For the animator, drag and drop the player, it will select the animator from there. Then for the camera we can drag and drop the main camera. For the surface check we will add the surface check, and then the surface layer mask, and then everything else is already set up. So after doing all of this, now if we go inside the resources folder, we have the gun animator right here. Let me double click on this animation, and as you can see it opens up the handgun animation which is inside the player, then player character animation, then handgun. Okay, so this is this animation which is the shooting animation. Okay, as you can see, now what we can do right here is remove this animation, and now the first animation for our handgun will be this draw two guns, because whenever the player picks up, or you can say take out the guns, it will play this animation. As you can see that yes, the player draw the two guns. So let's now add all of the animation one by one. But as you know that before adding the animations, let's quickly create all of the parameters. So the first parameter will be of type bool, and let's name this as idle aim. And you can find these parameters if you click on these parameters. Okay, if you are on the layer, make sure that you change to parameters. So once you added the first parameter, now let's add the second one. It will be a bool as well, and its name will be walk forward. After this, the next parameter will be the run forward. Okay, and guys, make sure that you are inside the gun animator controller. Okay, on the resources click on gun animator controller. After this, let's add the next parameter, and that parameter will be the aim walk. After this, the next one will be the jump, but this jump will be actually a trigger. So let's add a trigger instead of bool. Name this jump. After this, let's create another bool by the name of shoot. After the shoot, we need the next one for reload. After the reload, we need the next bool which will be by the name of shoot aim. And that is all of the parameters which we will be needing for this gun animator controller. And once you have added all of the parameters, then the next step will be adding all of the animations. So in the player character animations handgun folder, this is all of the animations. If you didn't download it, make sure that you go ahead and download all of the animations. And now in the next video we will join all of these animations. So catch you guys in the next one.